What's going on YouTube? Misterwheelz here once again, bringing you another food review, and to be exact, it's another Dairy Queen food review. I've got the Dairy Queen Turtles Blizzard. Hope you can see that alright. It's got chunks of turtle in there, and turtles are awesome on their own. I can't wait to try this, but before I do, I'd ask you to, as always, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. For those of you on Facebook, please create a Google account, a Google or Gmail account, and please subscribe to my channel and put your likes and your comments on the YouTube page, please. Also follow me on Twitter at SledgeHead86, and you can like my Facebook fan page, Misterwheelz86. Alright, the Turtles Blizzard from DQ. There it is. Let's get a taste of this. Here we go. That is really awesome. Now I'm going to take one more bite. Get a lot of turtle. Get all of the stuff that's in there. It's really good because on top of having the turtle pieces and everything in there, there's also chunks of the almonds or peanuts or whatever they are, or pecans, and caramel and chocolate on its own. It's vanilla soft serve ice cream, and it's got everything about the turtle involved with it, so it's really awesome. I'm going to take one more bite. Whoop. I dropped it. It dropped on my computer. Here we go. Well, I would recommend trying this. I've had this in the freezer for a while. It's pretty good. I'd give it a high 3 out of 5. It's good. It's not great. This has been pretty frozen actually, because I put it in the freezer when I got home to stop it from melting. Gonna take one more bite. It is kind of overpowered by the vanilla ice cream. With the Rolo Blizzard, you could really taste the peanut butter in the Rolo. But this is, I guess you can taste turtle, but it's not, it doesn't really stand out because there's a lot of vanilla ice cream in it. But, you know, if you like this video, I'd ask you to, again, please like and subscribe. That's all I have for right now, and